Okay, now that you've had a chance to practice your sounds, review words, and new words in sentences, you're going to be reading a short story today. As you look through the story, you'll notice that I made some of the words gray, and that's because those are syllable types that I haven't taught yet. So what I'll do before we start is we'll go through and I'll read those words to you. I'm sure that you know a lot of them already, but I still have to highlight them because I haven't taught the rule yet. First one is meet, PM, dressing, have, my, before, starts, could, aside, her, and first. So if we look up at the title, I want you to think about what this story might be about. Snack or script? Have you heard of a script before? Oftentimes actors will use a script to go over their lines when they're in a play or a TV show or a movie. And you'll notice that the graphic here shows someone writing a script. You'll find out who that is in a moment. There's also one of those things that they use in a film to divide the scenes up. I'd like you to read along with me for practice. And then when you have this story again within your Google activity today, you'll get to read it again and then answer some questions. You ready? Follow the arrow as I go. Meg went to meet Dennis at 7 p.m. He had a basket of chicken nuggets. Meg had a salad with hummus, chips, and lemon dressing. I have to finish my script and submit it at 7 before class starts, said Meg. Dennis told Meg not to fret and said he could help. He put his basket of chicken nuggets aside and held her hand. He did not want to witness her panic. First, Dennis would set up an index and then jot down edits for the text. Next, Meg and Dennis had to save everything on her laptop. At last, the script was all set. By then, it was 10 p.m.